From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Finnegan Bello. Meteorologists are expecting average to slightly above average amounts of snowfall this winter. Scientists project this winter to follow a weak La Nina weather pattern. In the past, this has meant colder temperatures and higher than average levels of snowfall in the northern United States. But University of Missouri Atmospheric Sciences professor Eric Aldrich says it's still mostly a guess at this point.
For those types of seasonal or long-range forecasts, we can figure that out far in advance. But then to get really specific on this is how much snow we're going to get, those types of forecasts are only really accurate out to 4 days or so.
Columbia's winter snowfall average is 15 inches, which it hit exactly during last year's season. And the University of Missouri will host the NCAA's Division I cross-country championships this weekend. The Columbia Missourian reports nearly 2,400 tickets were sold as of Thursday morning. City officials say the event is expected to bring in $1.2 million worth of revenue. MU will host the Division I men's and women's championships Saturday at Gans Creek Cross Country Course in South Columbia. Columbia is investing in more electric vehicles as part of its long-term sustainability goals. KBIA's Kaylee Ibarra reports that means replacing everything from buses to trucks.
Currently, only about 10% of the city's fleet is electric. Office of Sustainability Manager Eric Hempel says that includes 17 battery-operated cars and trucks and 10 transit buses. Even though some federal credits have been eliminated by the Trump administration, Hempel says the lower long-term cost of upkeep on electric vehicles means the city will keep buying them.
The electric vehicles that we were looking at were cost competitive, even without taking advantage of the federal rebate.
Since the addition of electric buses nearly 10 years ago, the city has replaced vehicles in its utility departments and building and site division as gas-powered vehicles have needed replacement. I'm Kaylee Ibarra, KBIA News.
And the Food Bank of Central and Northeast Missouri has received a truckload of 40,000 pounds of food, enough to feed 100 people 3 meals a day until March. The Columbia Missourian reports Columbia was among the first 5 stops in a network of food deliveries to 250 food banks around the country over the next year. According to data from earlier this month, the food bank has been seeing increased demand because of the loss of SNAP benefits. This compounds the surge that usually happens around the holidays. I'm Finnegan Bello, KBIA News, Columbia.